Good morning, journeyers. It is the day of day 10, and we are at, I want to try to pronounce this, I think it's Kalalani Beach. So, it is actually 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're doing a little morning swimming. Doing some boogie boarding, some snorkeling. All the gang is already down here. We're ready to have some fun. They say if you get here early enough, you can swim with dolphins. So maybe we will get lucky and a school of dolphins will, or is it a pod? Is it a pod of dolphins, school of dolphins? Comment below. Let me know. I thought it's a school of fish. Maybe it's a pod of dolphins. I think that's right. Anyways, we about to have some fun. So let's start off right.
Currently swimming to dolphins. This is gonna be nuts. Can't lie, a little nervous just because they're wild animals and I don't really want to disturb them, but I'd love to swim with dolphins. This is the stuff you live for right here. Oh man, we're going in. All right, I gotta focus. This is very tiring. I'm at least 50 yards offshore, so I gotta conserve. That was unreal. I don't think there is a better way to start the morning. Unbelievable. Thoughts? So in California, a couple years back, I saw a pod. Is it a pod?
Yeah, it was a small pod.
Okay.
But we saw a pod. It was off of Laguna Beach.
It was off of Laguna Beach. And I saw it. That was the really first time I ever saw like close-up dolphins like that.
Yeah, they were probably
we saw them
50
in
yards
Florida,
offshore.
but they were way far out. So I looked at Bubba. I said, Bubba, I'm going to swim with the dolphins, and I took off running.
Yeah, but what did I say?
Nate, you're never gonna catch them, okay? Which was probably right. I wouldn't catch them. So I took off running,
And I would say not even 30 seconds.
Oh yeah. He was washed up back on shore.
I drove into a wave and it was real shallow, so I stood up, I looked behind me, then looked forward, and there was another huge wave coming right.
Bye, Nate.
They always say the second wave is a lot bigger.
The moral of the story is
I
he didn't see the dolphins.
got backflipped. I backflipped, I tumbled right to shore. And needless
Fast
to
forward
say,
to today.
I did not swim with the dolphins then, but God redeemed us, and we just swam with dolphins. Unbelievable.
Whew. Macau Beach, guys. I won't forget it. If you want to see some dolphins, it's a great spot.
Hey everyone, The Journey here. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.